Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Yeah, so now Panjim, the only issue that we've had with the roads now is a smart city.
Smart city, that's what.
Now, see, even as per their thing, they are supposed to be reinstating the road as and when. Now they'll give the same excuse. It's been raining, we can't get the job done. I've seen them work in the rain also. Now, the raining is not an excuse when it comes to people's safety also. You all have not done a proper reinstatement work notice on you all. Now, even the MD and everything, that is what he should be doing also. He should be checking all of this now. But the corporation also now, for us to fix potholes, it's impossible because there is more potholes than there is road. Now, even if I have tons of coal tar sitting with me. The problem is now there is so much of the roads are so bad, I can't apply the coal tar because it will go in 2-3 days.
Yeah, but are you not concerned about the consequences you have to bear of somebody else?
No, obviously we are concerned, no? That is why whenever there's an issue, it's us on the road, no? See now, even with PWD, frankly, no, I have no issue against the engineers. I know for a fact the estimates get ready very quickly. The problem is between the estimates and between the work getting sanctioned, it takes 6 months. Now, how can you tell somebody when they see a pothole on the road, they have to wait for 6 months for your road to be done?
No, is it a
That is
smart
not
city?
correct also, no?
Now, when you talk about Panjim and all, is it a smart city or what city it is now? You feel?
We are not answering. Next, anything else is there?
What are the quality किती यूज केला सगळे all बाहेर सरतात सगळे हातीन धरून काढत झाले.
You see, so is right also. There are engineers that are appointed to smart city also now. No? So it is not my job to be a supervisor, but that is in fact what we've been doing also now. Every time there's an issue, it is not my job to be supervising smart
You are
city
the
also.
head of the city.
That's what I'm saying. I'm the head of not the smart city mission. No, there are separate engineers. Then you might as well put every department under my control. No? At least then it is fair to blame us. Otherwise, it does not make sense also. If smart city is not doing their job well, I don't think it's a responsibility. But even then, because people are being inconvenienced, we have to get it done. Anytime there's an issue and people call us, we're there with all the engineers and we're getting it resolved. But the fact is, even the smart city people also have to take responsibility. No, just because the officers is not a joke. When people, there is no good road in Panjim also left now at all. Because wherever they've done work, it's horrible. Now,
Have you asked now what next in smart city since Sanjit has been transferred?
I don't even know who the new MD is also now. We've not
Because
got
he had
anything.
promised so many things. He took meetings and everything. So what happens now?
So that is the problem. No, we've not seen any of that on the road. No, as of now.
Watch on Herald TV.